Essential Travel Insurance Guide. What you need to know. Picture this. Your dream vacation is just days away. But what happens if an emergency cancels your trip or your luggage disappears? Travel insurance protects you from the unexpected, offering peace of mind wherever you go. Let's explore why it's essential and how you can pick the right plan. Travel insurance is your safety net. It covers trip cancellations, ensuring you recover non-refundable expenses. Medical emergencies abroad can be costly, but insurance handles those bills. Lost or delayed baggage. No sweat policies often reimburse essentials, helping you stay focused on enjoying your travels. Not every mishap is covered. Many policies exclude extreme sports or pre-existing conditions. Planning an adventurous getaway? Ensure the activities are included. Reading your policy's fine print is critical. Knowing your coverage helps you avoid surprises when you need it most. Purchase your travel insurance at the earliest opportunity. Why? Early buys might offer pre-existing condition waivers and better cancellation terms. Waiting increases the risk of missing these perks. Protect your trip before surprises even have a chance to ruin your plans. Not all travel insurance is one size fits all. Planning a family vacation, backpacking, or an adventurous hike. Customize your policy based on risks specific to your journey. Specialty add-ons ensure you're covered for high-risk destinations or unique trip activities. Use travel insurance comparison tools like SquareMouth to ensure the best deal. Compare coverage limits, costs, and exclusions across providers. Don't forget to look at customer satisfaction ratings to choose a policy that's not only affordable but reliable during emergencies. There's more than one type of coverage. Single-trip insurance suits one-time adventures, while multi-trip or annual policies are great for frequent travelers. Need more? Many providers offer add-ons for business travel or activities like skiing. Pick the coverage that fits your lifestyle. Keep receipts and documents handy to file claims smoothly. Whether it's lost baggage or a medical emergency, being organized speeds up repayments. Check your policy details so you understand the steps, but remember, most insurance companies offer round-the-clock support for claim-related issues. Always carry a physical or digital copy of your insurance plan. Keep emergency contacts saved in your phone. Verify your details on the insurance application to avoid claim delays. These small steps ensure smooth sailing if the unexpected happens. Travel insurance is more than paperwork. It's your ultimate travel safety shield. From covering unexpected mishaps to ensuring peace of mind, it's worth every penny. Invest in a policy tailored to you, balance coverage with cost, and focus on creating unforgettable memories during your journey. Travel smarter, travel safer. Don't leave your next adventure to chance. Get covered with travel insurance today and head into your travels with confidence. Share this guide with your fellow travelers to spread the word about why travel insurance is an essential part of every trip.